When you arrive at your lab station, you are either going to find a box or a lab tray containing the following materials. Some of the materials that we will be shining light on, for example, a one-way mirror. You might also have a mirror or regular glass. You will have a template that looks like this. Ms. Phillips' room is going to have wooden blocks. Ms. Webb's room is going to have these plastic cups, a flashlight, and a light meter with an attached sensor with the toilet paper tube taped onto the sensor. This is what your light meter looks like. You're going to turn it on by hitting the power button, and then immediately we're going to have to change the range on the light meter because our flashlights are too bright for the light meter to read. So this button right here that says range, you're going to press it, and up here you're looking for it to say X10. So nothing yet, and there it is, right there, X10. See, it's very tiny. Okay. Now, when you're shining a light at your light sensor, the light sensor is that white dot down in the middle of the tube. That's the part that is receiving information about light, and we have it in this tube so that we can focus exactly what light we want to look on and nothing else. With your light meter ready to go, it's time to set up the template where you will be doing this experiment. So again, in Ms. Phillips' room, she's going to be using wooden blocks. In Ms. Webb's room, you have these plastic cups. For Ms. Webb, you're going to place the plastic cups over the word that says flashlight and over the word that says position 1. In Ms. Phillips' room, you're going to be putting the edge of the wooden blocks on those marks. So here you're going to take the center of the cup and put it over the line, just like that. And then the center of this cup over this line, like so. Your flashlight is going to rest right on top of this cup and make sure that it's lined up with this line right here. You're shining it straight across this line. Your light meter, the sensor, is going to go on the cup across from it, where it says light sensor position 1. And somebody's job is going to have to be to hold this paper towel tube in place on the cup. I'll show you what this looks like from the side. Okay, so I'm holding it on top of the cup right there, so it's lying flat on the cup. And then the flashlight is flat on its cup, and they are pointed straight at each other. Next, you're going to measure how much light is coming out of the flashlight. So your flashlight needs to be turned on 1 click, okay, so it's brightest setting. So push it once, it's on its brightest setting. I'm going to set it back down and, oops, move my cup. Make sure it's aimed straight along this line, right into the opening of this tube. And when I look at my light meter, it is reading 76 lux, okay? That's X10, but it's 76. Or 77. Take the highest number that pops up. It might be changing a little as you're taking the measurement. That's okay. Choose the highest number. That number for how much light is coming from the flashlight is going to get recorded right here on your handout. I've already got the X10 lux in there, so you just need to write the 76, 77, whatever it is that your group measures. For each material, you're going to lay it on this line right here where it says place material on the line, okay? And you're going to put it straight up and down. So this is the one-way mirror, so it's not flopped over this way or this way, straight up and down along this line. Now the light that is shining through the one-way mirror is the transmitted light, and that's what I'm going to measure first. So I'll put the sensor right over here, hold it flat on the cup, and then somebody is going to look at the light meter and record the number. That's the light transmitted. Then, to measure the light that is reflected, that's how much is bouncing off of the one-way mirror this way. So you're going to have to move your setup to where it says light position number 2. Then you're going to set it up, same thing, but right here on this side. Make sure everything is in the right place and take your measurement again. Then you're going to repeat that process, so this side and this side, for each material that you have been assigned. When you are done and it's time to clean up, you're going to power off your light meter You're going to power off your flashlight, return the materials to the tub or tray, and you are done.